Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, in a recent video, we went through how to daisy chain the silks once it was off the ceiling. So once it was no longer hanging from the ceiling and you're ready to wrap it up in your daisy chain to store it until you need it again, we learned how to do that. But what if, one, you want to make a little hammock for yourself, or two, you're about to have a class in the room and you just want all the drapery to be out of the way, so you just want to daisy chain it a little bit? Well, we're going to learn that today. So let's get into it. All right. We're going to start with the hammock. So say you want to do some mad ab conditioning and you want to make yourself a hammock, or you just want to go upside down and relax and chill. It's just always nice to have a little hammock. So this is how I teach it. You're going to backhand the silks. You're going to slap it. Silks has been a very bad boy. And then from there, your fingers go all the way down and then all the way up. So you have this full wrap around your wrist. From there, you have to make another half rotation. But, and this is the biggest mistake I see newcomers when making their hammock, they grab right away. You want to grab a good amount down so you have kind of this extra loop. From there, just pull your hand with holding the loop through the little wrap you made around your wrist. So I would say this is about the least amount of loop that you want to pull through. Anything less than this, I would recommend taking it apart and starting over. So to take it apart, there's also a shortcut, because a lot of people try and perform surgery on the knot. But what we do to streamline the process is we grab the two tails and we just pull them away from each other, and they should come out. Sometimes if you've been working out, they can get a little stuck. Just put some muscle into it. So first I want to show you the mistake I see. So I see everyone start the right way, and then they literally grab like this much and they like struggle to pull it through. Oh my God, I can't even do it. And then this ends up being your little hammock knot. Now, this is not safe, because if you're bouncing and bouncing, this could just pop out and the silks could unravel. So I'm going to do it again. We're going to make ourselves a big old loop. So once again, backhand, fingers down, fingers up, reach down. I'm going to reach way down now. Grab. Wherever you grabbed, just start pulling that through your loop. And I'm even going to pull in a little extra. Now I'm perfect. I have all this big old beautiful loop. And now if I open up the silks and turn it into a hammock, I feel so safe. All right, but we're not done. So let's take this apart again, and then we'll show you how to daisy chain it. So once again, we separate the tails to daisy chain. You're going to want to start as high as you can. So I'm reaching up as high as I can. I backhand the silks, fingers down, fingers up, reach down, grab. This time I wouldn't reach down as far. You don't want to pull quite as much slack through, because we're not in danger. You just pull enough through where you have a clear loop, then you reach through, grab, pull, reach through, grab, pull, reach through, and grab. This way, if you have mats or you're stretching or whatever, you're not going to step on the silk and go sliding. The silks are now at least off the ground and slightly out of the way. Anyway, that's it. That's the tutorial. If you're confused about where I'm filming from, I am filming from Body and Pole in New York City. City. I am a substitute teacher here. Definitely check out Body and Pole. I will link their website down below. And if you follow me on Insta, I always post when I'm subbing here. But honestly, all the teachers are great. And we have more than just silks. We have pole, hence the namesake, but also hammock, hoop, flexibility, and sometimes we even have other special classes. So definitely check us out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on. And if you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. Until the next time, I hope you guys have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.